So what's up guys, today we'll be doing somewhat of an install video. It'll be a short video of how to install the RTR LED front grille lights. I'm sure there will be other videos out there that will provide more detailed instructions, but this is going to be a short video just for me, just to experiment with. Anyways, we'll be installing the lights. They go right in here in the grill. I already have the upper and lower RTR grills, so all I gotta do is pretty much take off the bumper and install the LED lights. So it should be pretty quick and easy, nothing too special. So let's get started with the parts. So right here we have the RTR LED grill lights. Pretty much this is the box that it comes in. So let's open it up and see what we got. So it looks like we have some pretty nice detailed instructions on how to install the lights onto the grill at least. Okay, put that to the side. So we have one LED. So there's one. And here's two. All right. Out of the box, still look fine. So let's get started with the install. Now, as you can see, I already removed the wheels from the car. The next step I want to do is remove these push pins right here. There's 1, 2, and 3 on each side. Then I'm going to go underneath the car and remove the splash shield. So basically, these right here are the ones I'll be removing. It's kind of hard to see since I have an aftermarket splitter on this car as well. But anyways, this whole splash guard will be coming off. So you got more push pins back here and those screws back there as well. So now, as you can see, I just removed the splash guard as well. I had a little bit of trouble because, like I said, I have an aftermarket splitter right here, or add-on, and I had to make some custom holes, and one of the screws got stuck. But anyways, so that comes off. Now the next part will be underneath the hood. Alright, so the next step now will be removing this radiator cover. It has 8 push pins, as you can see here. Alright, so one more thing that I forgot to mention. There's actually 4 push pins you gotta take off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry for the contrast from the sunlight. But yeah, there's one more up here. And now the next step we'll do, before we get further on, we're gonna remove this screw right here. I don't know if you can see. The screw right there on each side. Those 2 bolts removed from each side. And my suggestion is just to push this fender well as far back as possible. I mean, it's just plastic, so you're not gonna hurt it. So next, we will remove these bolts right here, as you can see. I forgot to mention as well, there's these 2 small bolts on the sides. So be sure to take those off. And when pulling the bumper on these clips, be very careful, as these are known for breaking You see my bumpers are starting to break right here, but these clips usually break, so be very careful. Got the bumpers off. Per the instructions, I'm supposed to drill 3 holes on each side of the grill. So where these conditions are right now, 1 here, 2 there, 3. And that's pretty hard to see with the sunlight. And 3 over here, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the supplied hardware that comes with the kit. Pretty much I'm gonna place 3 Phillips screws into each of the holes on each side to secure the light along with these lock washers. So now that we have the LED lights installed onto the grill and also applied the 3M tape preparation and placed these little guys on the sides of the grill, the next step will be to hook up this harness right here. So pretty much you're going to locate your headlight plug-in. I know it's very hard to see, but it's back there, like right there. There's one right there. And the opposite side. So I already went ahead and unplugged this one, as you can see right here. So anyways, this plug for the headlight will plug into this piece right here with the pins that are sticking out, and this side with the red tab, red clip, will plug into the headlights. So as you can see, here's a finished product. They both work really well. Car looks pretty sick in my opinion. I'll try to see if I can get some shots at nighttime to show how they look. But overall, the installation wasn't too bad. If I would have just got straight into it without making a video, I probably would have lasted like anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half to install these lights. So it's not too bad. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed and see y'all till next time.